noma isimo simanzonzo. Thokozela indaba eshisayo noma isimo simanzonzo.
Ngikubingelele mbukelo lapha kanje uhlezi unethezekile ubukela esimanzonzo. Batshazo lapha ke isibindi sakhe ke lapha uPanyaza eqonda ngqo umongameli wezwe lapha ke uCyril Ramaphosa behleli lapha ke eParliament emtshela onke ke amaqiniso embhekile ke engamhlebi ke futhi ngandi ke ngamaningi embukeli nathi ke ivideo ke ubufakazi balokhu ke engutshela ngakho indaba ke azipheli kwesimanzonzo kepha kuphela isikhathi siyabonga.
People in this house questioned your commitment when you said there were 2 million opportunities that were created in the last 18 months of our government. I want to confirm the almost 1 million opportunities that came from our Nasi Spani program in Gauteng. We agree, President, that we need tangible jobs. We agree, President, that we need firm jobs. But while you are still developing your industrial policies, while you are still developing quality jobs, the poor and the unemployed must eat every day without failure. And our opportunities, therefore, can fill the entire FNB stadium, can be filled by people who from today, President, they are not asking money for Vaseline or any other thing. They can go to the shop and buy on their own because they've earned those particular opportunities. Comrade President, I want to close on this score and my apologies to those that are partners in the government of national unity. Comrade President, there is something that is called the Basic Education Amendment Laws. I'm asking you, President, politely and respectfully so, sign that law. Sign that law. There must be no institution here, President, when the 6th administration and this particular house has passed that particular law. And the law is very simple, President. We are prepared to listen to any other person that wants to raise any view. Listen to any other person that wants to raise any view. But the law is simple. All our children must be in the same classroom and taught by the same teacher. What's wrong with that particular proposal? What's wrong with that particular proposal? That the language of teaching must incorporate all 12 languages, that there must be no language that is excluded. What's wrong with that particular proposal? That every child that is in ECD must be a formal education system starting from ECD. What's wrong with that particular proposal? And therefore, President, sign that particular law. We'll debate later with all other people. Thank you so much.